Hi friends, welcome to Conquer. So this particular session is going to about the generic drug which is named as Covifort, and this generic drug is going to replace the branded drug Remdesivir. Everyone has said that Remdesivir is giving positive responses for this COVID-19 situations because people with severe symptomatic diseases and the death toll has increased to a greater level. So let's get to know what the particular generic drug literally means. What is this remdesivir is all about? Because whenever a particular drug is in market, it will be a branded drug which will have a patent rights. So we'll get to know much about this remdesivir and what kind of generic drug this Covifort is going to be and who is going to manufacture this Covifort. So let's get to the topic. So the particular company, which is a Hyderabad firm, which is called as Hetero, has got approval from the Drugs Controller General of India, saying that Government of India is giving permission to hetero drug makers to produce the generic version which will be named as Covifort, and this particular treatment has to be given, that is this particular drug can be administered to people who are having severe symptoms, and this is an institutional setup kind of drug delivery, which means that in retailers you cannot avail this Covifort, which is completely, it has to be used only for emergency uses, only in hospitals and institutional setups only. And this particular Covifort will be in a 100 mg vial, which will be priced between 5,000 and 6,000. And this particular drug was initially had the patent rights of Gilead Sciences, which is a US pharmaceutical company. And we'll get to know what is this remdesivir drug and what is generic drug literally means and who is regulating the drugs in India and certain functions of the Drugs Controller General of India. So when we speak about this remdesivir drug, this particular drug was created and developed by Gilead Sciences in 2009. So for every drug there will be certain amount of research and development that will literally happen. Say like you have a particular infection, you have to find a drug for this. So a particular pharmaceutical company, they'll go with so much of research and development. For this research and development, it could take 5 years or even 10 years of research and development could have happened. So whatever number of years the research is happening, so much of investments is flowing into this particular, so much of money that flowing into this R&D development, which after this research and development they come out with a drug. And with this particular drug, after passing clinical trials, if it is providing positive result for that particular infection, then that particular drug will be branded, and that will be called as branded drugs. And these branded drugs will get a patent rights for a minimum of 20 years, which means that that particular pharmaceutical company will manufacture the drug and they will sell on their own names. There will not be any kind of duplication. Once the patent rights have expired, this particular drug will be done with re-engineering process. That is, they'll break down the medicines into smaller molecules and they'll get to know what kind of composition this particular branded drug is having, and they will make certain kind of changes to this particular drug. They will either add a certain amount of taste for sweet for the tasteness, or the shape of the medicine could literally change, but the composition and the kind of effect it is going to be the same as the branded drug. So they'll form this particular drug, and this particular generic drug will be cheaper when compared to the branded drugs. Why branded drugs are costly is that the particular private company has put on so much of research and development, and the ultimate objective of a private concern is to have a profit making, and that is why the prices of your branded drugs are larger when compared to your generic drugs. So let's get to this remdesivir drug. This particular drug was developed by Gilead Sciences. This particular Gilead Sciences is a pharmaceutical company which is having its base in US in 2009. So this particular drug was formed by this company for hepatitis C, and this is an antiviral medication because everyone knows that hepatitis C is a viral disease, and they will inject this particular drug via injection into the vein. But unfortunately, this remdesivir drug, it does not work under hepatitis C. But when there was Ebola virus and Marburg virus infections, it was found that remdesivir drug is giving so much of treatment or effects to these two particular virus. So at this point of time, this remdesivir drug is literally providing some amount of relief in the COVID-19 situations also, because it is literally preventing the formation of pneumonia in patients. So because of this potential, remdesivir drug, it is right now authorized for emergency uses in US, India, Singapore, and it has also been approved for by Japan for people with severe symptoms. And by May 2020, UK has also approved this particular drug. So you know that remdesivir drug was literally created or developed in 2009. So the complete patent rights that is given to this particular drug is over, so generic drug could be formed. So the next is, what is a generic drug? Generic drug is nothing but copy of the original drug whose patent has ended. So it sold under the generic name. That is, if you have remdesivir right now in India, it is going to be called as Comifer. For whatever chemical composition that was present in remdesivir is will be also present in this particular Comifer. Whatever effect remdesivir provides the patient, the same effect will be provided by the Covifer, and whatever side effects remdesivir is providing, the same side effects will be provided by the Covifer also. So when it comes to what kind of cost advantage, that whenever you create a generic drug, it will be of larger high cost. I said you why it is of high cost, because they put so much of investment in research and development, and that is done by a private company. And when private company wants to make profit, the price of the particular product is also greater. When it comes to generic drug does not undergo research and development, and that is the reason why these drugs are low in cost. So generic drugs are literally 80 to 85 percentage lower in cost when compared to the branded drugs. Then who makes this generic drugs? Any drug maker can make this generic drug, but it has to get the approval from drug controller authority. Right now, Hetero, who is having their headquarters in Hyderabad, has literally won the have literally won this drug production. And when you say this generic drug producers in India, they are Cipla, Dr. Reddy, Ranbaxy, are some of the leading generic drug makers in India. So will there be any inferior in quality? No, a generic drug will be same in chemical composition, the dosage will be same, the safety precautions and the strength, everything will be the same, but this is going to be on a different name. It is going to be on the lower cost, but the effects of the tablets is going to be the same as your branded drugs. The next, so when it comes to who regulates the drugs in India, it is the Drug Controller General of India, and this particular department is under Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, which is called as CDSCO. And this particular organization works under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and they are the national regulatory authority. When it taken into consideration, the approval of license will be provided for blood and blood products, for IV fluids, for vaccines, for SIDAs in India, and they will give the standards for manufacturing, sale, import and distribution of drugs in India also. The next thing is, whatever the takeaway points from this article is that right now the generic drug of remdesivir is going to be produced by a drug maker called as Hetero, who are having their headquarters in Hyderabad. The second thing is, the drug is going to be renamed as Covifor, which is going to be 100 mg vial, and this will be given to patients of COVID-19 with severe symptoms, and this particular drug could be provided only in institutional setup or a hospitalized kind of format, and the value of the drug is going to be 5,000 to 6,000 rupees. That's all with this particular slide. If you like my video, share the video, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.